IFS provides a manufacturing ERP solution, helping organizations achieve true manufacturing excellence. In the competitive landscape of manufacturing, achieving a balance between operational efficiency, high-quality output, and cost reduction is a constant struggle. Manufacturing firms must overcome many hurdles. Variable customer demands, supply chain disruption, and the relentless need for swift innovation, all amidst ensuring compliance and quality. These challenges are intensified by legacy systems and fragmented data, obstructing fluid operations and informed decision-making. Only through having integrated processes and real-time data across all departments can we overcome these obstacles. IFS is trusted by some of the largest and most innovative manufacturing organizations, delivering solutions across industrial manufacturing, high-tech and automotive, food and beverage, chemicals, and life sciences, with the functional depth and versatility to cater to mixed-mode manufacturing needs. If your legacy solutions cannot keep pace with evolving market demands, this limits your ability to stay ahead in a competitive landscape. A modern ERP backbone is a prerequisite for leveraging the rapidly emerging technologies that are changing the face of manufacturing. Unifying production, supply chain, CRM, and financials establishes the core of the solution. And due to the unique breadth of IFS Cloud, organizations can easily take advantage of an entire suite of seamlessly integrated capabilities, from EAM to MES. And because IFS Cloud is composable, this allows you to implement the modules you need now and activate additional capabilities in the future. All of this is presented to your people on a modern and intuitive user experience, with an open architecture that allows you to easily integrate to other solutions, while effortlessly harnessing AI and other embedded innovations. Let's take a closer look at how IFS can help. Manufacturing excellence begins in product development. For discrete manufacturers, this means managing the engineering lifecycle by harmonizing product data management with CAD tools. In the process manufacturing arena, this involves streamlining new product development by integrating recipe and batch management with digital tools for scalable, compliant innovations. In the competitive manufacturing landscape, CRM and sales are central to bringing in consistent and repeatable business. This phase is pivotal for understanding and nurturing customer relationships, managing the intricate order-to-cash process, and ensuring that every customer interaction is an opportunity for growth. Precision in planning and scheduling sets the rhythm for the entire manufacturing process. It is essential to manage long, medium, and short-term planning horizons to ensure comprehensive operational readiness. By leveraging AI-powered finite scheduling, we can anticipate, adapt, and align production with market demands. It's where the strategy meets execution, ensuring that resources are optimally utilized. Manufacturing execution is where your plans come to life. Through digital shop floor reporting and seamless MES integration, we establish a truly connected factory. It's about ensuring that every link in the chain, from the worker on the shop floor to the equipment used, is perfectly synchronized and adaptable to real-time changes. And through the connected worker solution, your workforce becomes empowered to solve problems and share knowledge in real time, enabling a culture of continuous improvement. To achieve peak operational performance, enterprise asset management is an integral part of this ecosystem. And with embedded AI, real-time equipment data is transformed into actionable insights, moving us from a reactive to a predictive maintenance model. Last but not least, quality management is the guardian of your brand's reputation. It's not just about maintaining standards, it's about setting new benchmarks. This phase is crucial for embedding quality into every layer of the manufacturing process, ensuring compliance, monitoring performance, and driving continuous improvement to not just meet but exceed customer expectations. By unifying these processes, manufacturing organizations can stride towards predictable production cycles, reduced operational costs, and enhanced product quality and compliance, while fostering innovation and agility in responding to market changes. This is the formula for achieving true manufacturing excellence.